Welcome back to FordeeTV. I'm your host, Fordee. So this is take number 3. I keep cutting my head off in the video because I want to show you the way I mounted this GoPro to my Acton Qu4tro board. And yeah, so I'm shooting it on my cell phone just because I'm being lazy. It's really cold. In fact, I wanted to do a video about this for a little while, but it's either been raining or even snowing in Barcelona, so I haven't had a chance to do so. So what I did, let me show you the board. The board comes with grip tape, right? And the grip tape, obviously you can pull it up or rip it or cut it, etc. So what I did is I took an X-Acto blade. This is the front of the board. Also underneath where the grip tape used to be, there was an arrow saying this is the front of the board, so you know which way is the front, right? But what I did is I put the mount over it. I used an X-Acto blade to trace around, and I cut the grip tape off because underneath is metal. And you can put this sticky piece to the metal, no problem. Just cut off the grip tape, press it, make sure it's clean, etc. You may overcut a little, just like I did, but it looks super professional. You may scratch the metal a little bit with the X-Acto blade, but big deal because the mount's going over it. And if I want to take this off, all I have to do is pop this up, press the little tabs together, and this comes off. I can also reverse it on this mount, no problem. If I'm not going to be filming myself riding, I can take this off. And if I want to put it back on, super easy, clicks into place. I can tilt it up and down, etc. The image stabilization, this is the GoPro 5, image stabilization was on. I got a little bit of footage of myself riding today. It's really cold outside. I still wanted to get a video to show you guys what's up and just give you a little bit of the rideability of the board. It's super comfortable. It's in Pro mode. Pro mode's really fast. I wasn't wearing a helmet, so I did not take it at full speed. And also there were people around by the beach, etc. So let me show you the footage. I hope you like it. And I'll try to do a few more videos in the coming weeks as soon as the weather gets better. It's really been shit. So I finally got a GoPro mounted to the board. I've got it in Pro mode right now. And yeah, let's see how this video looks, how shaky it is. So we stopped the board because I saw a cop right here, and they can hassle you for electronic boards. Alright, so we're in Barcelona, next to the beach. It's fucking freezing. Today's the first day that hasn't been raining, fucking snowing, and I'm cold as shit, but I thought I'd do a fucking test. I mounted the GoPro to the front of the board, and right now it's in Pro mode. I should probably put it in regular because there's fucking too many people out here to even take it the speed of fucking Pro. But anyways, this is what you get a feel for board and what it's like, you know.